High in the Himalayas, a giant sleeps. This giant, known to the world as Mount Everest, is more than just a mountain. It is a symbol of human aspiration and the ultimate challenge for climbers. Mount Everest, known as Chomolungma to the Tibetans, meaning goddess mother of the world, pierces the sky. Its peak, often shrouded in clouds, stands as a beacon of mystery and majesty. At 8,848.86 meters, or 29,031.7 feet above sea level, it is Earth's highest point. This staggering height has made it a coveted goal for mountaineers worldwide. This majestic peak straddles the border between Nepal and China. It is a place where two nations meet and where the cultures of both countries have intertwined with the mountain's history. Its icy slopes and unforgiving terrain have beckoned adventurers and explorers for over a century. The challenge of climbing Everest is not just physical but also mental, testing the limits of human endurance. Everest stands as a testament to the raw power of nature. Its immense scale and the dramatic weather patterns that surround it are a constant reminder of the mountain's might. It is a place of extremes, where beauty and danger collide. The serene sunsets and breathtaking views are juxtaposed with the perilous conditions that climbers must face. The mountain's allure is undeniable, drawing climbers and adventurers from all corners of the globe. Each year, hundreds of people come to test their mettle against Everest's formidable slopes. But Everest is not for the faint of heart. The journey to its summit is fraught with danger, and many have lost their lives in pursuit of this ultimate achievement. It demands respect, preparation, and a deep understanding of its many challenges. Those who dare to climb Everest must be prepared for the unpredictable and the extreme, for the mountain is as unforgiving as it is magnificent. The quest to conquer Everest is a tale of human endurance and ambition. It is a journey that tests the limits of physical and mental strength, pushing climbers to their absolute boundaries. The allure of standing on the highest point on Earth has captivated adventurers for generations. For decades, the mountain repelled all attempts to reach its summit. The harsh weather, treacherous terrain, and thin air at high altitudes made it a formidable challenge. Many brave souls tried and failed, their dreams dashed by the mountain's relentless conditions. The first confirmed successful ascent was in 1953. This historic moment was a breakthrough in the world of mountaineering, proving that with determination and teamwork, even the most daunting obstacles could be overcome. Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa mountaineer from Nepal, made history. Their partnership and mutual respect were key to their success, showcasing the importance of collaboration in achieving great feats. Their achievement marked a turning point in mountaineering. It inspired countless others to follow in their footsteps, igniting a passion for exploration and adventure in people around the world. Following this historic climb, many more expeditions attempted to stand atop the world. Each new ascent brought with it stories of triumph and hardship, adding to the rich tapestry of Everest's legacy. Each successful ascent added to the growing legend of Everest. The mountain became a symbol of human perseverance and the relentless pursuit of dreams. Some climbs were marked by tragedy, reminding us of the mountain's unforgiving nature. The risks are immense and the cost of failure can be high, but the spirit of adventure continues to drive climbers forward. Each attempt, successful or not, contributed to our understanding of Everest and the human spirit's resilience. The mountain remains a testament to the enduring quest for exploration and the unyielding will to conquer the unknown. Everest is not a static monument. It is a living, breathing mountain, still being shaped by geological forces. The Himalayas, including Everest, were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This process, which began millions of years ago, continues to this day. The rocks that make up Everest tell a story of ancient oceans and continental drift. Fossils of marine creatures found high on its slopes offer evidence of its underwater origins. The mountain's topography, with its glaciers, icefalls, and treacherous crevasses, is a testament to the relentless forces of erosion and uplift. Section 4, Everest's Wrath, Nature's Fury Unleashed. Climbing Everest is a battle against the elements. The mountain's extreme altitude creates a hostile environment. Temperatures plummet far below freezing, and the air is thin, containing only 1/3 of the oxygen found at sea level. These factors alone make every step a struggle. Adding to the challenge are the unpredictable and often violent weather patterns. Sudden blizzards can engulf the mountain in a matter of hours, reducing visibility to near zero. Hurricane-force winds, known as jet streams, can tear through the peaks, posing a constant threat to climbers. Section 5. The human test mind over matter and mountain. The physical demands of climbing Everest are immense. Climbers must acclimatize to the thin air, a process that can take weeks. They carry heavy packs, navigate treacherous terrain, and endure extreme cold and fatigue. Even the most experienced mountaineers are pushed to their absolute limits. But the challenges are not just physical. Altitude sickness can cause debilitating headaches, nausea, and disorientation. Isolation, fear, and the constant threat of death take a toll on the mind. The ability to stay focused, motivated, and emotionally resilient is as crucial as physical strength. Section 6, Everest, in the soul, a sacred peak. For the people of the Himalayas, Everest is more than just a mountain. It is a sacred entity, revered and respected for centuries. The Sherpa people, who have lived in the shadow of Everest for generations, have a deep spiritual connection to the mountain. They believe it to be the abode of gods and goddesses. Their traditions and beliefs are intertwined with the mountain's presence. Before each climbing season, Sherpa priests perform a puja, a ceremony to appease the mountain deities and ensure a safe climb. This deep respect for the natural world is an integral part of their culture. Section 7, Everest, today, between triumph and threat. Everest continues to captivate the human spirit. The mountain, standing tall at 8,848 meters, is not just a geographical landmark, but a symbol of human endurance and ambition. For many, reaching its summit is the ultimate dream, a testament to their strength and perseverance. Each year, hundreds of climbers attempt to reach its summit. They come from all corners of the globe, driven by the desire to conquer the highest point on Earth. The journey is fraught with challenges, from the thin air to the treacherous ice falls. Advances in technology and climbing techniques have made the climb more accessible. Modern gear such as lightweight oxygen tanks and high-tech clothing has significantly improved the chances of a successful ascent. Drones and satellite communication now provide real-time updates and weather forecasts, making the climb somewhat safer. However, the allure of Everest comes at a price. The mountain has become increasingly crowded, with long lines of climbers waiting to ascend narrow passages. This congestion not only increases the risk of accidents, but also diminishes the sense of solitude and adventure that once defined the Everest experience. The increasing number of expeditions has taken a toll on the mountain's fragile environment. The slopes of Everest are now littered with discarded equipment, empty oxygen tanks, and other debris left behind by climbers. This pollution is not just an eyesore, it poses a significant threat to the local ecosystem. Pollution, in the form of discarded equipment and human waste, is a growing concern. Efforts are being made to clean up the mountain, but the sheer volume of waste makes this a daunting task. Climbers and expedition organizers are now being urged to follow stricter waste management protocols to preserve the pristine nature of Everest. Climate change is also impacting Everest, with melting glaciers posing new risks to climbers and threatening downstream water resources. The once stable ice formations are now more unpredictable, increasing the danger of avalanches and crevasse falls. Additionally, the melting glaciers feed into rivers that provide water to millions of people, making their preservation crucial. Everest stands as a symbol of human ambition and the power of nature. It is a place where dreams are realized and where the limits of human endurance are tested. The summit, often referred to as the roof of the world, offers a breathtaking view that few are privileged to witness. It is a reminder of our planet's beauty and fragility. The mountain's majestic presence is a testament to the natural wonders of our world, but it also highlights the delicate balance that must be maintained to preserve these wonders for future generations. As we continue to be drawn to its heights, we must also strive to protect and preserve this iconic peak for generations to come. The responsibility lies with each of us to ensure that Everest remains a symbol of triumph and not a testament to human neglect. By adopting sustainable practices and respecting the mountain's environment, we can help safeguard its future.